Do you want a future career in teaching or working with children and youth? Would you like to begin your university career while still in high school? Are you looking for a challenge? Then ECE or early childhood education is for you. You get to observe, interact, and plan activities with young children. You get to create a professional working portfolio for interviews, scholarships, and post-secondary planning. You get certifications and training including first aid, CPR, WMIS, and high five. Students will experience a field placement with an elementary teacher and connect with post-secondary institutions. Students will receive an English and career or work exploration credit or a psychology 30. They will also have the chance to participate and obtain a dual credit ECS 100 with the University of Regina.